Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a airplane in the garage. This airplane is a Cessna 210 Alpha. It was involved in a rollover. It flipped over during a hurricane a couple years back. So as you can see, the spinner has damage. Part of the propeller was bent. Both wings, they were bent during the accident. The empennage, which is the tail, it also got bent. So what I want to do is gut the aircraft, take off the engine, take off the propeller, take off the landing gear, and hopefully make it into like a badass rat rod with a big blower, hopefully a blower in the engine. And so yeah, let's get into removing the engine. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by removing the spinner so I can remove the prop. Alright, as you can see, it has some nuts in the back, in the flange, where it holds the propeller in place. So that's what I'm removing right now. I think there are 6 in total. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pull the propeller back and it's gonna spill some oil. Hopefully I don't make a big mess. Guys, so here's your crankshaft, the flange that holds the propeller, 2 dowel pins to align your propeller. There's a bent blade and this is totally straight, so I don't know, I can probably make it into wall art and hang it up there somehow, just like my Bonanza nose cowling and the Cessna wingtip. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for today. So hopefully you guys stay around for next episode as we're gonna remove the engine out of the Cessna.